In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best audio transmitter receivers for 2025. These devices will transform your audio experience with seamless connectivity, high-quality sound, and versatile features. Whether you're upgrading your home theater system or setting up a new audio solution, these picks are perfect for any setup. So, let's get started. Number 5. Vaorlo LY35. The Vaorlo LY35 is a versatile 6-in-1 Bluetooth receiver and transmitter designed to seamlessly bring your audio system into the modern Bluetooth era. Whether you're using a classic amplifier or an older audio device, this device eliminates the need for complicated wiring. Simply connect the receiver to your mobile phone's Bluetooth and then link it to your audio system using an AUX cable. No more dealing with wires, just effortless Bluetooth audio. The LY35 supports a variety of audio formats, including WMA, WAV, FLAC, AP, and 3, ensuring you enjoy a high-quality, lossless audio experience. You can even play music directly from a USB flash drive or a TF card, making it perfect for listening to your favorite tracks without needing an internet connection. Designed for high-end audio performance, the LY35 guarantees distortion-free, crystal-clear sound. With its handy remote control, you can easily switch modes, adjust the volume, skip songs, or pause music all at the touch of a button. The user-friendly interface ensures a smooth and convenient experience, even from a distance. Equipped with a Bluetooth 5.3 chip, the LY35 offers faster performance, lower latency and better compatibility with other Bluetooth devices. With a stable transmission range of up to 30 meters, the device guarantees uninterrupted music playback, whether you are in a large room or outdoors. The 1100 mAh battery provides up to 20 hours of continuous playback, and the Type-C charging port allows for quick recharging. Number 4. Ayino MR265. The Ayino MR265 is an advanced Bluetooth 5.22-in-1 audio transmitter and receiver that delivers exceptional audio quality with ultra-low latency and high efficiency. Powered by the Qualcomm QC chip, it offers rock-solid stability and low power consumption, making it an excellent choice for both home and on-the-go use. As a Bluetooth receiver, the MR265 wirelessly transfers audio from your mobile phone, tablet, or laptop to speakers, hi-fi systems, amplifiers, or any other compatible audio device. With support for aptX Adaptive, apt-HD, and apt's low latency, you can enjoy high-fidelity, CD-quality stereo sound with minimal delay. The device supports both optical and coaxial outputs for superior sound quality. As a Bluetooth transmitter, the MR265 allows you to connect your television to Bluetooth headphones, speakers, or earbuds, offering a private listening experience. It also features dual Bluetooth transmission, allowing you to connect 2 devices simultaneously and switch between them effortlessly. Additionally, the bypass function ensures seamless connectivity between your audio systems and television. With multiple interfaces, including optical, coaxial, 3.5mm AUX input and output, and dual Bluetooth channel output and input, the MR265 is compatible with virtually any device. Its external antenna provides an impressive 20-meter range, ensuring stable and uninterrupted performance both indoors and outdoors. With a remarkable 28-hour standby time and the ability to use it while charging, the MR265 guarantees a reliable, high-quality audio experience all day long. Number 3. OneMe B03 Pro Plus. The OneMe B03 Pro Plus is a high-performance Bluetooth 5.0 transmitter and receiver designed to enhance your wireless audio experience. Powered by the advanced Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.0 chip, This device ensures superior transmission and premium sound quality, making it an excellent choice for audiophiles and anyone seeking top-tier wireless audio. One of the standout features of the Ayino MR265 Pro Plus is its support for dock, enabling high-resolution wireless audio streaming up to 24-bit and 96 kHz. This makes it one of the few Bluetooth devices capable of both dock transmission and reception, providing studio-quality sound without the need for wires. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or gaming, you'll experience crystal-clear audio every time. For seamless performance, the B03 Pro Plus also supports app's low-latency codec, reducing audio delay to under 40 milliseconds. This ensures perfect synchronization between sound and picture, offering a lag-free experience when watching TV or gaming. The device also features a pass-through mode, allowing you to stream audio to both wireless headphones and a wired TV soundbar simultaneously, making it ideal for households where different audio levels are needed. Easy pairing and an on-screen display simplify connecting to Bluetooth devices, while built-in volume control buttons give you full command over your audio. As both a Bluetooth transmitter and receiver, the Ayino MR265 Pro Plus lets you stream music from your phone or laptop to an older sound system or connect Bluetooth headphones to your TV, offering both premium sound and convenience. Number 2. Fiio BR13. The Fiio BR13 is a premium Bluetooth audio receiver designed to upgrade your traditional amplifier or speaker system into a modern, wireless high-fidelity setup. Powered by the S98K2M reference dock, Qualcomm QC-C5125 Bluetooth chip, and TP-A1882 operational amplifier, the BR13 delivers studio-grade sound with exceptional clarity and depth, completely untethered from cables. With seamless Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity, the BR13 supports high-resolution streaming from your smartphone, tablet, or PC. It offers support for various codecs, including DOC, aptX Adaptive, aptX HD, and AAC, ensuring CD-quality audio for any device. The device allows you to upgrade your audio system effortlessly, breathing new life into older stereo receivers or speakers by adding lossless wireless streaming. You can connect it through RC, a coaxial, or optical inputs to experience high-definition audio with minimal latency. Fiio's proprietary digital upsampling technology refines lower-resolution audio to 96 kHz and 24-bit, bringing your sound closer to studio quality. The BR13 also features 7 preset equalizer settings and 2 customizable profiles, allowing you to fine-tune your audio for any genre, whether you prefer deep bass or crystal-clear highs. Navigating the device is easy with its intuitive physical buttons and companion app, which offers advanced features like SPDF conversion, coaxial and optical EQ adjustments, and over-the-air updates. The high-contrast LCD screen displays essential details like codec settings and EQ options, ensuring a smooth user experience. Number 1. Arylic B50. The Arylic B50 is a powerful Bluetooth 5.2 transmitter and receiver that elevates your audio experience with high-definition sound. Powered by the advanced QC-30040 chip, it supports aptX HD, delivering high-fidelity audio with incredible detail whether you're transmitting or receiving. This device is designed for versatility, compatible with a wide range of devices, including televisions, vinyl players, audio-video receivers, projectors, subwoofers, and USB sticks. With 50 watts of power per channel, the B50 provides crystal-clear, high-quality sound to passive speakers, making it perfect for enhancing the audio in any room, whether in the living room, kitchen, workshop, or even the bathroom. Dual-link technology allows you to connect two Bluetooth devices simultaneously, sharing music with family or friends while maintaining exceptional sound quality on both devices. The B50 ensures a stable, long-range Bluetooth connection, allowing for uninterrupted audio streaming without any dropouts or lag. Its premium aluminum alloy enclosure with a sandblasted finish adds a touch of elegance to your home audio setup. The device comes with a user-friendly mobile app that provides complete control over playback, equalizer settings, input modes, and Bluetooth configuration. With the ACP Workbench tuning tool, you can fine-tune your sound, adjusting frequency, channel balance, and equalizer settings to suit your preferences. The Arylic B50 is the ideal solution for upgrading your home audio system, offering an effortless, high-quality wireless listening experience. There you have it, the top 5 audio transmitter receivers for 2025. Each of these devices offers incredible performance and features, so you can pick the best one for your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching.